Good morning children, welcome to Max online class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Yes? Okay Nana, up to now we completed 2 chapters. First chapter is numbers all around us and second chapter is whole numbers. Okay Nana? So today I am going to send you the remaining notes for the first chapter Nana. So today I am going to start the third chapter HCF and LCM. Okay Nana? From this chapter onwards you have to watch the video and continue the class work. Okay ma? I don't send the class work separately. So my dear children, watch the video carefully and complete the class work also. Okay ma? Are you ready children? Yes, open your Max, CW and textbook. Write third chapter. HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. This is the third chapter Nana. All of you keep this heading. Third chapter HCF and LCM. Okay. So to find whether the number is divisible by the given number or not, how can we know? Yes, by doing division. Isn't it? So if you do the division, you will get the 0 as reminder, then that number is divisible by the given number. Isn't it? Exactly divisible. If we are not getting the 0 as a reminder, so the number is not divisible by the given number. We have to decide like that. But in some cases, when the bigger numbers comes, no, it takes time to do the division. So to avoid such type of divisions, and we have to say directly, we use the divisibility rules, Nana. Divisibility rules. What is meant by divisibility rule? Divisibility rules. What is meant by divisibility rules? So the process of checking whether the number is divisible by the given number or not, without actual division, that is important Nana. Without actual division, if we know whether the number is divisible by the given number or not, that is called the divisibility rules. So by using divisibility rules, we can say that the number is divisible by 2, or that number is divisible by 3, or that number is divisible by 6, like that. Okay Nana? So if you learn the divisibility rules, we can simply say whether the given number is divisible by particular number. That means 2, 3, 6 or 5, whatever. Okay Nana? So divisibility rules. What is the definition of the divisibility rules? Come on, tell me. The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division. Without actual division is called the divisibility rules. Okay. So by using divisibility rules, we can say whether the number is divisible by the given number or not without actual division. Okay ma? So it is very helpful to us. Okay, are you ready Nana? Come on, all of you keep this chapter heading, and side heading is divisibility rules. Come on, write neatly ma. And write the definition. The process of checking. The process of checking. All of you write along with me. The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division. Without actual division is called divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for that number. Yes, write down Nana. The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called the divisibility rule for that number. Okay ma? So this is the divisibility rule definition. Now we'll write the divisibility by 2. Leave some gap and write the divisibility by 2. So what is the rule if a number is divisible by 2? Divisibility by 2, yes. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones places. Okay ma? In its ones place. If a number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. Let us take one example. See ma, don't write this one. See, just see. What is there in the units place? Yes, 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. So this the given number is divisible by 2. Let us take one more number. What is there in the units place? 5. Is it divisible by 2? No. So if a number is divisible by 2, only if it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. But here 5 is there in the units place. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay Nana? Is it easy or difficult to you? So without actual division, we can say whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not by seeing it is ones place. Okay Nana? What is the divisibility rule of 2? Come on, tell me. Yes, write down a number. All of you keep side heading this one. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. In its ones place. This is the question mark. So sorry, this is the rule of the divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits. This 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any of these digit is in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay children, come on, write down divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. Come on, note down in your classwork. So just pause the video and complete the classwork, Nana. Okay ma? And next, check your progress. Check your progress. Check your progress. Keep all of you. Check your progress side heading and write the first question. Are the numbers 900, 452, 9534, 788 divisible by 2? Why? So this is the question, Nana. All of you write neatly in your classwork. Check your progress side heading and note down the first question. Are the numbers 900, 452, 9534, 788 divisible by 2? Why? Okay ma? Come on, tell me. Given numbers The given numbers 900, 0 is in the ones place, 2 is in the ones place. This number having 4 in the ones place, this number having 8 in the ones place. Yes, the numbers, the given numbers are divisible by 2 because they have 0, 2, 4, 8 in its ones place. Okay ma? Write down. The numbers 900, 452, 9534, 788 are divisible by 2 because they have 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 8 in their ones place. Ones places. This is the reason. As the numbers 900, 452, 9534, 700 are divisible by 2 because they have 0, 2, 4, 8 in their ones place. That is the reason. Are the numbers is divisible by 2? Yes, the numbers 900, 452, 9534, 788 are divisible by 2 because they have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 8 in their ones places. Okay ma? Note down this one children in your classwork neatly. So my dear children, here just you have to keep yes. Yes, the numbers are divisible by 2 because they have 0, 2, 4. Why? Because they are asking are the numbers. Yes, the numbers will write. Okay ma? Can I wrap this one children? Okay. And now write the second question. Are the numbers 953, 457, 781, 325, 269 divisible by 2? Why? This is the question, Nana. Now I'll write the answer. Are these numbers are divisible by 2? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Yes, these numbers are not divisible by 2 because they do not have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. Okay, Nana? No, the given numbers are not divisible by 2 or not. Write neatly along with me, Nana. No, the given numbers are not divisible by 2 because they don't have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones places. That means units place. Okay ma? Note down this children. Now given numbers are not divisible by 2 because they do not have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. Okay ma? Now third one. Third question, Nana. Write third question. Can I wrap this one? Just pause the video and write neatly, ma. Third question. Are the numbers 452, 673, 259, 356? Write neatly along with me. My dear children, watch the video and write the classwork. Divisible by 2. Verify. Yes, write neatly, ma. Write neatly, children. Okay, now, yes, write the answer. The numbers, see, which of the given numbers are divisible by 2? Yes, this number 452 having 2 is in the ones place and 356. So the numbers 452, 356 are divisible by 2. Are divisible by 2 because they have 2, 6 in their ones place. Okay, ma? The numbers 673, 259 are not divisible by, see, are these numbers divisible by 2, Nana? No. Why? Because these numbers are not having 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. So the numbers 673, 258, 9 are not divisible by 2 because they do not have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. Note down in your classwork. Are the numbers 452, 673, 259, 356 divisible by 2 and verify. So the numbers 452, 356 are divisible by 2 because they have 2, 6 in their ones place. The numbers are not divisible by 2 because they do not have 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in their ones place. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? Okay. Shall we go to the next divisibility rule? Yes, divisibility by 3. Note down in your classwork neatly. Divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. So what is the rule? If the sum of the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. What is the rule? If the sum of the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, ma? That is the rule. Come on, write all of you. If the sum of the digits, write neatly, sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by, then that number is divisible by 3. This is the rule. Okay, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. This is the rule. Okay ma, for example, $129. So sum of the digits in the number, sum of the digits equal to 1 plus 2 plus 9, 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. So again 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Okay ma? 12 is divisible by 3. So the given number is also divisible by 3. Next, check your progress. Check your progress. Note down ma. Check your progress. Note down Nana. Just pause the video and write neatly. See that? Check your progress. Check your progress. Here they are given 3 problems, Nana. Check whether, write the question. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 3 using rule. Verify by actual division. Okay ma, note down this question children, all of you. What is the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first problem. So what is the rule, Nana? If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So that first we find sum of the digits. Tell me 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So here 15 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Okay ma? Now they are asking verify by actual division. We do that actual division side. Actual division. Now we have to check our answer is correct or not by doing actual division. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 table. 3 4s are 12. Take down 3, 3 1s are 3. Take down 4, 3 1s are 3, 1. Take down 5, 3 5s are 15. Yes, we get the remainder 0. So it is divisible by 3. Okay ma? Is it clear to you, Nana? Okay. Now Second problem. 61,392. Can I rub this one? Second one. You do third one as homework, Nana. Yes, what is the rule? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. 2 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 2 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by, given number 61392 is divisible by 3. Now we verify our answer, okay, by actual division. Actual division side. Sima, 3 2s are 6. Take down 1, not going, so keep 0 and take down 3 also. 3 4s are 12. 1 19, 3 6 are 18. So 1 take down 2, 3 4s are 12. Yes, it gives the remainder 0. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, ma? And you do third one as a homework in homework book. Okay. So today what we completed, Nana? What is meant by divisibility rule and what is the use of the divisibility rules? And the divisibility rule by 2 and 3. Okay, ma? Divisibility rule means the process of checking that the number is divisible by the given number or not without actual division is called divisibility rule for that number. Okay, ma? By using these divisibility rules, we can find whether the number is divisible by the number or by the given number or not without actual division. Okay. So directly we can say the number is divisible by the given number or not. Okay. And today we learned divisibility rule by 2, divisibility by 3. What is the divisibility by 2? Yes. If a number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. In its ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. Any of the digits 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any of the digit having in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. And if the number is divisible by 3, only the sum of the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Okay. So my dear children, I hope you understand the today's class. And one more important point is, watch the video continuously, you have to write the classwork neatly. Okay. I don't send separate notes again. Okay, ma? Bye children, take care.